Antarctica is an unforgiving environment that presents a range of challenges, including frigid temperatures, vast expanses of ice, and fierce winds. It is also home to numerous species of animals that can be dangerous to both humans and other creatures. In this video, I'll introduce you to the most hazardous animals found in Antarctica, from cute but aggressive predators to massive killer whales and gigantic squids that can grow up to a meter in length. Let's explore. Killer whales. Killer whales, also known as orcas, rank among Antarctica's most formidable predators. These marine mammals, found in southern waters, are renowned for their predatory skills. Orcas can reach lengths of up to 33 feet and weigh as much as 8 tons. Their formidable physical attributes include massive, sharp teeth that can be up to 5 inches long, enabling them to easily capture and tear apart large prey. Orcas are highly intelligent, known for their sophisticated hunting strategies and group coordination. They hunt in pods, employing advanced tactics such as ramming large sharks to consume their energy-rich livers, exhausting large whales before sharing the kill, and creating waves to knock seals off ice floes into the water. Their hunting methods can be seen as particularly brutal. Orcas are known to toy with their prey before killing it, such as tossing seals into the air to stun them or dragging them onto shore to beat them before consumption. This behavior can be distressing, especially when it occurs in front of the prey's group. However, a notable aspect of orcas is their relationship with humans. Unlike their behavior with other species, orcas do not pose a threat to people in the wild. They have never been known to attack humans, and it's even possible to safely swim with these majestic creatures, making them a unique presence in the marine world. Southern elephant seal. Meet the largest seal in the world, the southern elephant seal. It got its name from the very large size of its fat body and the skin sac on the male's nose, which swells up into a large ball during restlessness or mating season. However, unlike common herbivorous elephants, this elephant is predatory. These hunters reach almost 20 feet in length and weigh about 4 tons. Even the formidable leopard seal seems tiny compared to them. On the face of it, southern elephant seals look quite cute, just like the rest of the seals, but not to be deceived, these creatures congregate in large colonies and hold large territories. They don't like strangers and can even attack humans on occasion, needless to say about animals. These formidable seals deal shortly with them also. They often arrange fights with each other, usually males fighting for females. In Antarctica, they feel very confident because they have only 2 enemies, the leopard seal and the killer whale. By the way, they'd often fight with killer whales right by the shore. Leopard seal. The leopard seal is a formidable predator native to Antarctica. Known for its spotted skin, reminiscent of a leopard's coat, this seal is distinct from felines. It's a large marine mammal, reaching lengths of 10 to 13 feet and weighing around half a ton. The leopard seal's predatory prowess is evident in its agility, with speeds up to 25 miles per hour, and its diet comprising other seals, penguins, fish, and krill. Its size, sharp teeth, and aggressive nature make it a dominant force in its icy habitat. Notably, the leopard seal poses a threat even to humans. Polar explorers and tourists in the Antarctic region need to exercise extreme caution, especially when near the water's edge or on ice floes. There have been incidents where leopard seals have attacked humans. A notable case occurred in 2003 when scientist Kirsty Brown was tragically killed by one of these seals. This incident underscores the potential danger these animals can pose in their natural environment. Sperm whale. This doesn't always work with sperm whales, the next inhabitants of Antarctic waters. In general, sperm whales, like other whales, do not attack humans and can even swim with them. However, an injured sperm whale is extremely dangerous. Angry sperm whales can pounce on divers, sink boats and ships, and even kill sailors, but still, the sperm whale poses the greatest danger to animals like all toothed whales. It's a predator, and it's very large. Sperm whales reach about 65 feet in length and weigh up to 40 tons. The basis of their diet is fish and mollusks, but sometimes the sperm whale has to engage in battle with orcas. Orcas usually attack sperm whale babies, and in this case, a pod of sperm whales takes all-round defense. They surround the baby and don't let the killer whale get to it. As a rule, this defensive tactic works. Sperm whales have another enemy and source of food, the giant squid, one of the world's creepiest creatures, which can easily be found in deep Antarctic waters. The giant squid. The giant squid is a truly monstrous creature that is believed to have been the inspiration for the legendary kraken. Sailors in ancient times were terrified when they encountered the 66-foot mollusk with its giant plate-sized eyes and creepy tentacles. However, the giant squid is not actually dangerous to humans. It lives too deep in the ocean and rarely surfaces, and it is not an active predator. Instead, it mostly waits in the water column for passing prey, such as anchovies, other squids, and zooplankton. Occasionally, the giant squid needs to defend itself against predators, with the sperm whale being its primary enemy. These toothed whales can dive to great depths, making it impossible for giant squids to hide. Additionally, the giant squid must also contend with other dangerous predators in Antarctica, such as orcas and southern elephant seals. Weddell seal. It must be said that the fauna of Antarctica is quite sparse. There are not really many dangerous creatures. To some extent, the Weddell seal, the most famous seal of the South Pole, can also be called dangerous. However, it's dangerous only to small sea creatures. These beauties are also predators. However, unlike leopard seals or southern elephant seals, they're not dangerous to humans, but Antarctic fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods should stay away from these toothy, chubby creatures as they hunt them, and you can hardly hide from the Weddell seal at depth. These predators go down to 2,600 feet under the water, where they grab their prey. By the way, these creatures are interesting because they make holes in the thick Antarctic ice, kind of ice holes through which the seal can surface and breathe air. Weddell seals create these holes with their sharp fangs, literally gnawing their way to fresh air. They scrape out new ice as it freezes. They have to do it often, so old seals usually have broken incisors and fangs. Animals are only one of the few things that can be said about Antarctica. The amazing continent is interesting in other ways as well. For example, research and discoveries are often made here. In recent months, scientists have made several important discoveries, so I suggest you find out about them. Lake Vostok. Lake Vostok is the largest and most famous subglacial lake in Antarctica. Its discovery was a huge achievement, but lately, scientists have found another intriguing subglacial lake named Snow Eagle. It was discovered beneath a layer of ice in Princess Elizabeth Land, eastern Antarctica. With a length of about 26 miles and an area of 143 square miles, it is one of the largest subglacial lakes in Antarctica. Researchers believe that it could hold valuable information about the formation of the East Antarctic ice sheet. The study of this lake could potentially reveal numerous processes involved in the formation of Antarctica. Fish colony. Earlier this year, scientists discovered the world's largest breeding colony of fish in Antarctica. The discovery was made by a German expedition in the Weddell Sea. The colony includes tens of millions of nests and covers an area of 92.6 square miles, which is slightly less than the area of the Maldives. The nests contain icefish, unique creatures with transparent blood, and the only vertebrates that don't have red blood cells. To survive the low temperatures, the fish have developed an antifreeze protein in their colorless blood that counteracts the formation of ice crystals. The ecosystem is unique, and the study of the colony will help researchers to understand how life behaves in extreme conditions. However, all these discoveries may be meaningless because scientists recently concluded that Antarctica is rapidly disappearing. The continent is actively melting due to warm winds blowing this year and general warming. It's happening so quickly that in a few decades, there may be nothing left of Antarctica. This would cause the world's ocean levels to rise dramatically, and many human settlements would be underwater. This is just a hypothesis at present, though. It's also possible that everything will be fine with Antarctica. Would you like to visit Antarctica? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you later.